Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to update BlueStacks on your PC in 2026. So if you want the latest features, bug fixes, better performance, or improved game compatibility, yeah, keeping BlueStacks updated is really important. First, launch BlueStacks from your desktop or Start menu. Wait for the emulator to fully load before checking for updates. Next, click the Settings icon, usually located near the top right corner of the BlueStacks window. Inside Settings, go to the About section. Here you'll see your current BlueStacks version and an option to check for updates. If the Update option doesn't appear, you can manually download the newest version from the official BlueStacks website and install it over your current version without removing your apps. After updating, it's a good idea to restart your PC and reopen BlueStacks. Yeah, this helps apply performance improvements and reduce possible bugs. And that's basically how to update BlueStacks in 2026. Now you're running the latest version with newer features, better stability, and improved performance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.